In this video, I'll quickly show you how to manage or change your password in the Shop app using passkeys. First, open the Shop app, tap your profile icon on the top right corner. From there, go into Settings and look for the first option called Passkeys. Tap the plus icon to add one, then follow the prompt to enable Face ID or your phone's biometric unlock. Once your passkey is created, sign out of the app, but make sure you know your email address before doing this. Now, tap Get Started and enter your email. You'll be prompted to sign in using your passkey instead of a regular password. If you didn't set a passkey, the app will send a verification code to your email or phone number linked into the account. And that's it. You don't need a password if you have enabled passkeys. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.